In this lesson, we are going to write fractions in their simplest form. Right, to write fractions in their simplest form, we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by their highest common factor. Right, we have 6 over 24. What is the highest common factor between 6 and 24? The highest common factor of 6 and 24 is 6, isn't it? The highest common factor is equal to 6. So we are going to divide 6 by 6 and divide 24 by 6. So you're saying 6 over 24, then divided by 6, and also divide 24 by 6. Right, what is 6 divided by 6? Is 1. Then 24 divided by 6, it is 4. Okay, so the answer is 1 over 4. We'll just do this. 6 over 24, just say 6 into 6, 1. 6 into 24, 4. And then you have your 1 over 4. Alright, you may pause the video here and do these 8 questions. And then 12 over 48, we can say 12 over 48. The highest common factor between 12 and 48 is 12. So you can say 12 into 12 is 1, and then 12 into 48 is 4. So the answer is equal to 1 over 4. Let's say maybe you used 6. You can use 6 and say 12 over 48. And then say 6 into 12, that's 2. Then 6 into 48, that is 8. And then you are left with what? You are left with 2 over 8. Then you can further divide this by 2. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 8, 4. Still, you're going to get the same answer. Okay? But it is advisable to use the highest common factor and get your answer once. B with 15 over 45. The highest common factor between 15 and 45, that's 15. So you say 15 into 15, 1. 15 into 45, 3. So the answer is 1 over 3. Let's say you use a factor which is not the highest common factor and say 15 over 45. Let's say you divide by 3. 3 into 15, that's 5. 3 into 45, that is 15. We can further divide 15 over 5 by 5. Say 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 15, 3. You're still getting the same answer, which is 1 over 3. You see that? Okay? But like I said, it is better to use the highest common factor and get your answer once. Alright, let's do C. Now I'm going to use the highest common factor only. Okay? Right, 18 over 48. What is the highest common factor here? It will be 6. It will be 6. So you say 18 divided by 6, we get what? We get 3. And then 48 divided by 6, you get what? You get 8. So the answer is 3 over 8. And then we can do D. D with 30 over 45. Alright, the highest common factor between 30 and 45, that is 15. 15 into 30, that is 2. 15 into 45, that is 3. So the answer is equal to 2 over 3. Right, and then E, the highest common factor there between 22 and 77 is what? It is 11. So you can say 11 into 22, that is 2. 11 into 77, that is 7. So the answer should be 2 over 7. Alright, and then F, we have 16 over 56. 16 over 56. The highest common factor between 16 and 56, that is 8. So 8 into 16, that is 2. Then 8 into 56, that is 7. So the answer should be 2 over 7 again. And then we have G, we have 20 over 28. Right, the highest common factor between 20 and 28 should be 4. So 4 into 20, that is 5. And then 4 into 28, that is 7. So the answer should be 5 over 7. And then H, the last one, 36 over 48. The highest common factor here is 12. So you can say 12 into 36, that is 3. Then 12 into 48, that is 4. So the answer should be 3 over 4. Okay, this is how we simplify fractions.